What's this? It just jumped. To make this, I think I'll need to grab my pencil and cutter. You can make it too. Just watch along and see how easy it is. All you need is a piece of cardboard to get started. Be sure to comment below which country's national animal this is. Okay, so I'm slowly cutting the structure. In the meantime, keep commenting, sharing, and enjoy this new hack. I'll drill holes on both sides to fit my BO motor. It's symmetrical, so it can easily work from both sides. I've cut the same structure on both ends to fit it nicely and place the motor in the middle. This way, the battery can easily sit on top of the motor. Grab your hot glue gun and start sticking. Use colored pens or colored paper to decorate. Stick it wherever you like, covering up any open areas. You can make it even more beautiful. Now you need to place the legs in a semi-parabolic shape, forming a semicircle. This way, whenever it moves, it will rotate smoothly and keep moving forward. So in this way. This creature will move just like you often see it. And it's moving. Yay!